I'm going to bring on my experts here. Let's just dive right in and get into it because they know more about China certainly than I do. Tao Zhang and Albert Tseng. Thank you both for being with me.
As you probably know that, entrepreneurs, at the end of the day, the entrepreneurs, they are here to disrupt the status quo, right? So they probably don't want the government stakeholders, policymaker to step in too early before they become sophisticated, before they become knowledgeable about this space, to come up with the wrong policies, right? To kill innovation of these entrepreneurs. So especially for plant-based, it could be tricky. So, but at the same time, we work with like government-backed science and technology parks in China to hold forums, to hold seminars, to educate people, local different stakeholders from China about plant-based, about alternative protein in general. So that's we call it next generation good food, right, for China. So I think that's probably more appealing marketing term that we would like to use, not only for the different stakeholders, particularly with the young generation consumers in China. We have done like 2 boot camps in Beijing and in Shanghai in 2019. So our boot camp is called Next Generation Good Food Boot Camp. So this way, we attracted stakeholders who from the mainstream, right, from the mainstream business community, from the mainstream investor community to come to our forum, to come to our boot camps. So because they heard about the good food and they know this is something very interesting. Next, especially is next generation good food. Because our the target audience of DAO Foods through the entrepreneurs we support or would like support is mainly young millennials in China, and there's already 400 million of them, because we believe this young millennials, they are probably more quick to adopt this, or more willing to try out this next generation novelty good food, right? So and once they try it, they like it, I think they will definitely, hopefully they will become like repeated users of this product. That way, the next generation, consumer behavior will definitely will be changed for the better, and maybe hopefully in turn they can also influence other demographic as well, their parents, their grandparents, because they eat the food they like and they say to their parents, oh, maybe this is something you should try. So that's and of course they will have influence on their kids, right? On a moving forward basis.
Yes, and there again, so you've got 400,000 millennials, which
400 million.
400 million. So obviously a force to be reckoned with, more than the United States. More people than are in the United States are millennials in China. And again, I would think this would be a tailwind. You say alternative proteins, but tofu's nothing new in China, and tempeh's nothing new in China. Exactly. And I don't know if seitan is considered a new and alternative thing, but so some of these products and their bases are already part of your history.